Hi. I'm going to show you how to earn free bit or app on IMVU and well my sister, older sister, she's about 19. She showed me how to do it, and the instructions will be in the description. So if you need any help, then you can see the instructions, and I'm not going to tell you anything else because that would waste my time. But read the instructions on the description, and then you'll find out how to do it. If you will not understand me in the comments how to do it, then I'll answer to you in every single comment. And don't worry, it's not a scam. I can even prove it. Bye.